Hello and welcome to Geojerry's Adventures. Today I'm gonna go find a geocache because my son is having a play up in this building up here. He's in Romeo and Juliet. Well, a Susification of Romeo and Juliet. He's playing Romeo. Here, check this out. So anyway, while he's in there doing that, I don't get to go see the play, so I'm gonna go find myself a geocache anyway. Well, I kind of made that rhyme, but it's not quite how it should have sounded. But more like this: I'm gonna go find a geocache while he's in his play. Then I got to come back and work later. And by work, I mean usher. That means I gotta seat people in their seats for the play. It should be pretty cool. Anyway, it's in there, but let's go find a geocache. Oops, I got sidetracked. I better get moving. This is my old college. I went here, oh my gosh, 20 years ago or so. It's been a while. Anyway, this is the first college I went to. But that's a whole different story because what we're looking for is a geocache. It's on the grounds here, but the story won't be about this, okay? So let's go track down this geocache. And here it is. My little hat of a find. Look at that little hat. I wish I could wear it, but I can't. Anyway, so I am writing up a log right now that is worth 250 words to qualify myself for the Geocaching Vlogger and Cache Advance Geocaching Challenge. Or is it Geochallenge? Or is it Cache Challenge? Or you know what it is. Anyway, let's see. Hopefully, oops, I've been typing up some words right, some text right now. Let's see if is it there? Oh no, where'd it go? Let's go back. Did I just delete? I just deleted everything I just typed up. Well, that's never good. Found. Yep. I just had a whole bunch typed up and I just deleted it all. So now I gotta go and retype it all. Anyway, well, I did find it. I'm gonna retype my log. I'll take a screenshot of it, put it in here so you can see my interesting log. At least it should be. And with that, I will say, hey, have yourself a great day. I'm gonna sign this little geocache. By the way, micros that are a little creative like this, that's pretty cute. Sign my geocache and I'll be on my way and I'll get back to the play. Just in time for play 2 where I will be our one of the ushers. Yeah, and I'll get to watch it kind of while I'm working too. With that, see you guys later. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video, and I will see you all later. Bye.